Hi, I'm Janice Wald from Mostly Blogging. Recently, I was given the honor of being called the most outstanding blogger and the best internet marketer of 2021 by the Infinity Blog Association. And so I've been asked to explain what makes a powerful woman powerful. And I have come up with 5 traits. And by following these 5 traits and the examples I'm going to explain from my own life and career, you too can be a powerful woman. First, you need passion. I have chosen a very competitive blogging niche, but I have a tremendous amount of passion for my niche, and other people have even observed that about me as well. So I create content in my niche, not because it is easy, but because I am passionate about it. And I recommend that you have passion as well if you want to succeed in any endeavor. Number 2, you need self-discipline. It isn't easy to be self-disciplined in any respect, but if you're going to be successful, you need to be self-disciplined. For example, I could be really engaged in creating content for my next blog post and really having fun doing it and just totally getting into it. But if I'm not done and I have something else slated on my calendar at that moment, I have to get up, I have to stop. Otherwise, I'm not going to get everything done in my life, in my career that I need to. Next, you need to be selfless. If you're an entrepreneur, you need to help others, and that has to come before your own needs. Case in point, I remember one summer I was beginning a vacation with my family. We were at an airport where I was contacted by a reader who told me that his work had been plagiarized. He was beyond words upset, and he asked me what to do about it. And in retrospect, I was really happy that I began my summer vacation by helping my loyal reader and a member of my community, and even if it meant that I started my summer vacation just a few minutes later. Next, you need a desire to improve. I am a lifelong learner. We should all be lifelong learners. I read blog post articles, I read books, I listen to podcasts, I watch YouTube videos, all in a desire to improve my craft. And at my website, I teach others how to improve their craft. Finally, you need a drive to success, even to the point of obsession. I hate to tell you to be obsessed, but if you're not obsessed about your career, nobody else is going to be obsessed for you. So I would be the best self you can be, even if it means you need to put in extra time. I know that perfect and done are not synonymous, but always put your best foot forward, even if you spend extra time trying to do it. Once again, I'm Janice Wald from Mostly Blogging, where we teach bloggers, content creators, and marketers how to be their best selves. Thank you for listening.